want to talk about my experience with Don and Gina. We started, how long ago? 6 weeks ago? 6 weeks ago, and when I got to them, I was in a very bad place in the relationship with my daughter, my younger daughter, and I was so close in seeing all the bad on her and wanting her to change according to my expectations without me trying to change or seeing anything different to the bad things on her. And through the weeks and the learning of the book and stuff, I learned that I have to validate her as a human being with feelings, with desires of independence, authority, and stuff like that. And when you see her not as your child that you can do anything to them, but like as a person that you need to guide somehow, then it changes everything. And the tools you gave me, every time I tell you something, you had this nice way to approach it, and it totally made me like, what? Oops, yeah, probably a good idea. Or yes, that sounds like more realistic than what I was thinking. So for me, it was amazing in seeing the changes on me. It was very surprising. Of course, we have to work on that, practice more and everything, but I saw a big change. So the more my attitude changes, I saw big changes on my daughter too. And for example, a great thing it happened is her room was a big mess, and it doesn't matter how many times I told her, she didn't clean it or do anything with the room. And one day she decided by herself, and I was able, with the tools I got, to be quiet and let her express her ideas, and then maybe offer the help. And then she like, yeah, mommy, let's go and do it. And we clean up her room amazingly, and that was like 6 days ago, a week ago actually, and the room is immaculate still. She's keeping the room up, and she's super happy about it, and me too, of course. And I didn't need to fight and say anything. She just decided to do it. But I think my attitude play a big role in this. And the more I think, the more I realized that I needed to change in order to see changes on her. So I'm extremely grateful I did this. I was desperate. I was trying to do something. At least I'm glad I realized that I needed to do something different if I want to see changes. And today I'm extremely happy that I did it, because I can see results, and better things will come. I know, because my idea is to change for better every time. So thank you guys. I really enjoyed the process, and your help, your words, your tools, everything. It was very enjoyable.